Hello guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku. In yesterday's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, June the 23rd, 2021. Because today, on Thursday, there are no extra Sudokus or puzzles. So I've decided to continue with the puzzles of yesterday's additional, and we have two puzzles left: a Sudoku with 2 stars and a tectonic with 1 star. The first one I've already solved. It's a letter Sudoku. Alright, so the second one, a 2 stars Sudoku, will be number 2998. Yes, 2998. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. For a 2 stars Sudoku or puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. For 1 star, faster than 50 minutes. For a 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. And for 4 stars, 30 minutes or more. Alright. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. I see 4 ones. I see 1, 2, 3 nines. 2 sevens, 3 eights, 4, 5 sixes. So let me start with the sixes. 3 threes. All right, the sixes. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column, so the column between. The only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6, there's 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so in the row between, the middle row, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6, there's 6 should be here. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column, so in the first column, the only three places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, here, 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. Alright. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 6, alright. Alright. Let me start with the one I cannot, I see the one I cannot fill. No. How about the number? The 9 in this column, the 9 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only place for the 9 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 4. We see a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these two boxes. Therefore, in this column, so no 4 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 4 in this big square should be here. Alright. Alright. 9. Okay. 3, 3. Yes. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. In this big square, we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. In one of those 2 boxes in this column, we have a 3. So no 3 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. How about the 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 9 should be there. Okay. Okay. Four. Let me see. 8, 2, 5. 8, 2, 5, 5, 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. There are 5, no 5 here. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8, we see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then the 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 4 and 9. 4 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 9. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5, and the 7 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright, 5, 5. How about 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the second column. One of the missing number is it's a 9. Okay. Let me wait. Let me wait. 2 numbers are missing in this column. For the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. We have a pair, 2 and 8 in this column, 2 and 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 2 and 8 should be in those two boxes as a pair. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. So in this column, we have 3 missing numbers. The 4 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 9 is missing. And we see here 9, so no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 in this column should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. Alright, so we have a 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. Then how about 3 and 7? Right. So we have an 8 in one of those two boxes in the third column. Oh, wait. Sorry. The 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be 8 too. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 2. All right. 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 1 and 7. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And then, 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, we see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 7. 1 number left in this column for the number 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 7, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. All right, great Sudoku with 2 stars. Correct, 15 to 20 minutes, and I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Sudokus with the 1 star, with the 2 stars, with the 3 stars, and the 4 stars. Then I have also a playlist for the binary puzzles, for the tectonic puzzles, for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the heavy Sudokus, for the light Sudokus, quintuplets, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you find them all. Again, thank you for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle. It will be a tectonic with a 1 star for today. So I see you in a minute. See you then. Bye bye for now.